May buntag sa tanan. Hi, my name is Pinky Matias. Last Friday, when I started my YouTube channel, naisip ko lang na sa tagal ko nag-vlog sa FB, this time, I will focus on my YouTube. So just to have a bit of information about myself, I'm a cancer survivor. Last year, 2022, when I got cancer, it's a thyroid papillary cancer, but thank God, I'm healed already. God beat my cancer. And now, I know I still have a purpose in life. That's why I'm still here. Now, why I focus now on my YouTube channel? Because of the primary reason that I am connected in a radio station. I'm a media practitioner for almost 31 years. Together with my husband, I call it husband and wife team. We manage a radio station here in Cebu. It's an FM radio station. All of the people here in the Cebu knows the station. It's 96.3 WRAP. For so long, we managed that, and thankful for all the client that for all those years supported us. Aside from my life as a media practitioner, I'm also a good cook. I love baking. I love cooking, especially for my family. And we are a homebody person. We are looking forward each day, pagpa-uwi na kami, kasi I will cook our food. And also, pag weekend, we stay at home, we clean the house, everything just for the house. And then, I also love dancing. I love to dance. But now that I'm hitting, they call it the gracefully aging, mga pa-ballroom-ballroom na lang, but uli in the house. That's it, everyone. And to end this talk, I just would like to say, hope you can like and subscribe my channel, Pinky Matias, my Bonita channel, and more videos to come in the coming days. God bless everyone. Thank you.